Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have our first tornado warning of the day. This one's in South Dakota for Buffalo, Hand, and Hyde County. A funnel cloud was reported with this around 5:58, so about 10 minutes ago.
Okay, thanks a lot, Jared. The Lake Galvin area is dealing with its own road problems right now.
Dang.
Lake Galvin Recreation Area is closed due to flooding, and Lincoln County Highway 135 is down to just one lane. The earth supporting one edge of the highway has given way and is considered unsafe for drivers to pass by.
Chance of rain 10%.
Ignore that.
Partly cloudy with scattered thunderstorms.
More dirt
Highs in the lower
to
90s.
stabilize the edge that eroded because of nearby floods. Officials
South Dakota, Aberdeen.
2 Colorado women are missing in western South Dakota after their car was swept away in floodwaters. The car was found early this morning once
Alright, let's see.
to recede in a ditch on Highway 85 north of
The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a tornado warning for north central Buffalo County and central South
There we
Dakota,
go, good time.
southwestern Hand County and central South Dakota, southeastern Hyde County and central South Dakota until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near STEPHAN, or 11 miles north of Fort THOMPSON, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous
Like I
to those
said, a
caught
funnel
without
cloud
shelter.
was reported
Mobile
with
homes
this.
will be damaged or
That's not
destroyed.
good.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will affect mainly rural areas of north-central Buffalo, southeastern Hyde, and southwestern Head counties. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county and South Dakota.
The tornado warning means that a tornado has repository of this.
Go to my folder,
Remain calm,
and then
but act quickly to
music.
save yourself and family. Go to the basement and get under a workbench or a sturdy piece of furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter
They
in
keep
the
getting
interior
out,
hallway,
man.
landroom, or closet on the lowest floor.
yes,
Use blankets,
because
pillows,
it's
or
limited.
to cover yourself and avoid windows.
Yeah,
If you live in a mobile home
the
or
memory is
outdoors,
limited. That's why I can only put in a certain amount of songs on there, and plus that one took a chunk of it out.
And cover your head. Avoid culverts and overpasses. Do not try to outrun a tornado in your vehicle. Abandon it for safe shelter.
The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm